Welcome to EDU 621, Design and Development of Curricular Programs. I wanted to take a few moments to walk you through this site, as this site is arranged a little differently from other courses that you may have had. First, as normal, we have a banner, we have a link to the syllabus, the infographic. Don't forget to check announcements. This is a link to your onboarding module that will provide you with a complete overview of this course. These are links to your major assignments. And then this course is basically organized by steps in the model that we are using to develop your curriculum. And I will talk about that assignment in a little more detail. Basically, instead of this course being developed into weekly modules, it's developed into modules based on steps. There are 6 steps to designing a curriculum, and that is how this course is organized. Immediately, we're going to begin working on identifying a particular problem that you want to solve that a training program or academic program could help. And then we'll work through the remainder of these steps throughout the semester. Notice that there is no link to modules on the sides. That's because you will get to those modules from this front page. Let me show you. Let's look at our welcome module. What I have done is set up an opening page for each module where you can access every item from that opening page, and it kind of cleans this up and makes it a little easier to navigate. So this is your opening module, your onboarding. You'll need to go through each of these and then complete this last assignment, and then that will set you up to move into step 1. Now notice that you will have a strategy meeting with me periodically. You'll have one with each step, but you'll also be able to sign up for those whenever you like so that we can work through your particular program you are designing. This course is extremely research intensive and writing intensive, so you will want to be sure to start it immediately, and you will need to be able to set aside time almost daily to work through the various assignments. You will have discussions, you can access your grades, your syllabus, and there's something different, and this is badges. So you have opportunities to earn badges in this course, and then these badges are basically designed to be something you could post on Facebook, you could have as part of your resume. It's just another way of providing training. And one of the items you will be learning more about in this course is micro-learning and micro-credentialing, which is designing small nuggets of training to prepare employees to complete certain tasks. Now, if you want to know what the details are for this particular badge, you can click on this and view the details, and these will be awarded automatically as you complete various assignments and complete these at a particular level. So you will have to complete these at an A level in order to receive these badges. So it's just something different to hopefully spur some of you on to your work. Let's return to the home page. As I mentioned, this particular course is all designed around this 6-step model that we will be using to design our curriculum. And when I say curriculum, when you're designing an academic program, a training program, a support program, there is always a curriculum. There are items you want to make sure that you participants receive. There are particular skills you want them to obtain by completing this academic program, completing this support program, completing this training program. And so no matter what type of program you're designing, you will still run through these steps. And again, this gets you to an overview of each step, which you need to review, and a module check. Returning to home, you have 3 major assignments in this course. You have a narrative literature review, you will have a program video presentation, and then you will have the written program that you will submit as well. Each of these is a separate module. Notice there are guidelines within each, the ability to set up a strategy meeting, how to write the introduction, the body and conclusion, and where to submit this particular assignment. But you will be working on these as you work through your steps. All right, let's just take a really quick look at one of these steps. All right, this is what you're supposed to be working on right now, and this is identifying the problem, identifying what problem exists that your program, your proposed curriculum will then solve. And again, notice it has links to all of the items within this as well as a module check. You do have a text for this course, and the text is the book, The World is Flat. It does not matter what edition of this you read, as long as you read it, and you'll need to read it quickly because you will be using this as you design your program. You will have a discussion forum about this, and you will have a voice thread. As soon as possible, you will need to begin with your welcome module, and you will want to set up your first strategy meeting with me so we can identify the problem and the type of program you need to design to fix that problem. So the quicker you set up that strategy meeting with me, the better. And you will be able to do that by clicking on the calendar and then setting up an appointment with me, and we will meet through Zoom. So I look forward to working with you in this course. It's a fun course because you get to really delve into the research, choosing a problem that you want to solve with providing training. And again, this problem can be employee-based, it can be student-based, it can be an agency-based program, a business-based program. It doesn't matter as long as you are developing a curriculum. I look forward to meeting with each of you soon.